Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Exetel. In this Exetel internet provider review, I'll delve into my experience using their services in Australia. Exetel has earned a reputation for its competitive pricing and value-driven approach. You'll find links to their various plans and their most current offers in the description below. Take a look. Exetel has become a go-to choice for those seeking reliable yet budget-friendly internet service. They provide a comprehensive range of NBN plans across various speed tiers. This includes basic 25 megabits per second, standard 50 megabits per second, fast 100 megabits per second, and even higher speed options such as 250 megabits per second and a blazing fast 1 gigabit per second for users with more demanding bandwidth requirements. This diverse range caters to a wide spectrum of users, from individuals who work remotely to larger households that enjoy streaming 4K content or engaging in online gaming. A key highlight of Exetel is their transparent pricing structure. Their plans are presented in a clear and concise manner, with no hidden costs or surprises. They frequently offer enticing promotions, such as discounted rates for the initial 6 months of service or complimentary modems for new subscribers. Exetel offers the flexibility of both contract-free plans and 12-month commitment options, allowing users to choose the plan that best suits their individual circumstances. Another noteworthy aspect is their customer support. Exetel offers both online and phone-based assistance, ensuring you can reach them conveniently when needed. Their support team is generally considered responsive and efficient, providing timely and effective solutions to any issues you might encounter. Furthermore, Exetel's self-service portal simplifies account management and usage monitoring, adding another layer of convenience for customers. For environmentally conscious users, Exetel's partnership with Green Fleet to offset carbon emissions is a definite plus. They also offer mobile broadband and VoIP services, providing a versatile bundled solution for those interested. While Exetel delivers excellent value for the majority of users, those with extremely high data demands or requiring extensive customer support might find their experience slightly less refined compared to some premium providers. However, considering its pricing and overall reliability, Exetel offers a highly competitive package. In conclusion, Exetel is a solid option for those seeking affordable and reliable internet service with flexible plan options. It's especially well suited for families, remote workers, and budget-conscious individuals. If you believe Exetel aligns with your internet needs, be sure to check out the links in the description for further details.